Silot Binangonan 3 kilometers. Quezano Mall Binangonan 3 kilometers. Binangonan Lakeview Hospital 3.2 kilometers away from Aurelia Reed. Rizal Provincial Hospital 2.6 kilometers. St. Bernard Infirmary and Medical Specialty Clinic 2.5 kilometers. Binangonan Fire Substation 5 kilometers. Barangay Tayuman Substation 5.9 kilometers away from the more nearly establishment. So we have here basic finish, 260, and premium finish, Galaxy. Unit finishing details po natin dito sa living area, flooring, wall, ceiling niya. Sa basic finish po, porcelain tiles without baseboard, painted finish, exposed steel deck, painted finish. Yan po yung sa living area niya. Sa stairs niya, sa big finish natin is concrete stairs with tubular steel railings and painted vinyl tiles with star nosing. Sa kitchen naman po, we have concrete countertop with porcelain tiles, laminated two-door cabinet below counter kitchen, sink with gooseneck faucet. Sa toilet and bath naman po ng flooring wall ceiling natin, sa basic finish ay porcelain tiles, floor to half wall height, the layout on shower area, Fisam board on metal frames painted finish. And sa bedroom po natin, flooring wall ceiling niya, vinyl tiles po without baseboard. Tapos, ang wall niya, cement painted finish, dry painted finish. Ceiling, Fisam board painted white. And dito sa ating premium finish, ang ating meron pa ang porcelain tiles with baseboard, painted finish, Fisam board on metal frames, painted finish. And sa stairs naman natin, concrete stairs with tubular steel railings painted, SPC vinyl plank flooring with SPC star nosing. And sa kitchen po natin, granite countertop, laminated board cabinet overhead and below countertop, kitchen sink with gooseneck faucet. Porcelain tiles naman po yung ating flooring wall ceiling, floor to ceiling, the layout on shower area, Fisam board on metal frames painted finish. And sa bedrooms po natin, flooring wall ceiling, vinyl plank floating with baseboard, cement painted finish, dry wall painted finish, Fisam board on metal frames and painted